guys, Merry Christmas. Be Nasty here with USA Turn 6 in Operation Stormy Weather. I want to really quickly just acknowledge too that I've been saying one of our players in this game is name wrong this whole time. I've been saying Mufoi, but it's Mafui, so my bad. Apologies there. Especially since we're such close friends in this game, I should be saying his name correctly. Tried a couple times to get this turn going and seemed to get interrupted over and over again, which I don't think is super critical because probably going to be a few days now before anything happens again anyhow, but still. I rolled tech and diplomacy on Discord. I've already updated the board. I did advance doctrine, which did bump up naval a stage as well, and I did advance to tactical bombers this turn. Missed on air doctrine, which is sort of stymieing some of my air tech, and missed on engineering because that anti-sub warfare would be really nice to hit on at some point. So I've done all that. I've got purchases here laid out. I'm starting a fleet carrier for 5 and a light carrier for 4, so that's a total of 9. Lend leasing a British seaplane for 7, so that's 16. A French militia for 2 is 18. 2 of my own colonials is 20, 22. This will make it 23. A destroyer is another 7, puts me at 30. 3 for an initial marine, and then 3 that I spent on diplomacy is 36. And the tactical bomber is free as a prototype this turn, which I think we've discovered we had to place immediately. So I will do that. Okay, for combat moves, I've got a few. Got a seaplane, that sub. The destroyer in this sea zone is going to go 1, 2, 3, and this seaplane are going to come and we're going to attack that submarine. That'll be 2 combat moves down here. These 4 ships are going to be the screening force and engage this Chilean cruiser. We'll declare war on Chile. The goal is for these 2 cruisers to be a continuing force to head to sea zone 847, where they will go on escort duty. And then this will be the other attack. These 6 units by land, and the American fighter from Panama will come and attack the land zone of Chile as a fall-winter turn. So I'm not super optimistic about that. But yeah, those will be the attacks. Bring these guys up here. The destroyer will be blue and the seaplane purple. The destroyer will hit at a 4, the seaplane at a 3, so blue at 4, purple at 3. Nice. There's at least 1 less sub. Seaplane's going to land in Puerto Rico. And way over yonder in the Pacific, I'll bring this dice with me because it's lucky. For this guy. No sir. Okay, so anyway, one sub, I can live with that. Let's do the sea battle next. I've got 2 dreadnoughts and 2 early cruisers, and the Chilean Navy is 1 early cruiser. So purple will be at 7, blue's at 5, and green, the defending cruiser's at 5 as well. Okay, so I've got 3 hits, doesn't matter. He's got 1 hit back. So he is dead, and that will be a free diplomacy for me, but one of my beautiful American-made dreadnoughts will be damaged. Oops. Okay, and then these 2 will carry on to do their escort duty. Okay, down here. Whoopsies. I've got Chile is a mountain territory, but it doesn't matter. With the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Doesn't matter with the technologies that I have anyway. All infantry are teching at 1 regardless. Okay, so I'm going to have 6 at 1 and my fighter at 6. One hit, but not 2. Okay, so Chile's defense will be the infantry purple, militia is blue, so infantry at 3, purple 3, blue 2. Okay, so nothing, and so that will force us to fall back. And the fighter will land in Peru this go around. Okay, so would have preferred to take Peru, but well, such is life. I guess that means that they will, or not Peru, pardon me, Chile. Chile will align to, pretty sure Germany, yeah. So, okay, so be at war there, and that's going to drive you up $1. Okay. So then, yeah, I think all that I have left is going to be non-coms. So these units here are going to. Oh, geez, actually, I don't know if I can do what I wanted to do. I'm going to have to do something differently. Oh, shoot, that won't work. Just a second here. Because I can go. Oh, yeah, no, that's fine. They go 1, 2, and they're just there. Just by regular moves. Perfect. This guy, because he's at major port, he can just go 1, 2, 3 and join them without having to use any strat naval moves or anything. Okay, that's fine. Oh, this is a big reminder to myself to like bring that guy back to the other side. Okay. So he's going to go to eastern Mexico. And the 2 guys who are in eastern Mexico are going to go 1, 2 to New Orleans. Okay. These 2 guys are just going to go 1, 2, 3. Oh, import. I think both of these planes that I have, the medium bomber and now the TAC, 1, 2, 3, 4, they're both going to go and land at Panama. And then the last thing I'm going to do is have these 3 units rail over to San Francisco. Yeah, these guys are going to go 1, 2, 3. And these guys are just going to go 1, 2. Sure, move that guy here. Why not? Yeah, I think that's pretty much all she wrote for my turn. So, 2, 4. Probably the same thing. Gonna have to do the same thing. Send it to Northern England. I think I have to navigate this sea zone with the British, or pardon me, the French lend-lease of a militia. Destination Corsica. So I'll have to. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be both units or not, but we'll say that gray is a submarine and blue is the coastal. So gray at 3, blue at 2. So I believe it has made it. And then it's just these guys. Okay, so yeah, I think that's it for the American turn. So I'm just going to collect some income. So I'm at 39 plus 1, 2, 3 is 42. And yeah, that's it. So yeah, and I know you guys are both. Oh, I gotta do some Chinese cards. Shanxi, 1 mountain infantry, then Jiang, 1 militia. Let's do. Okay, cool. Alright, stop here for now. Thanks, guys.